Hi, welcome to KC Boomer Tech, where I talk about everything tech related to boomers and a little bit more. Today I have a new exciting video for you. As I was talking about, this is in our 4-part series so far. I'm going to talk about ways that you can get that shot that sometimes you just can't seem to angle your camera into. And I'm going to be talking about that with this tripod head, a multifunction. I'm going to show you what we're doing with it, so let's get to it. So what I'm talking about here is it's called a multifunction folding tripod head. And what this does, this allows you to move in various angles. Now it has a center screw in here, which you can attach, a 1/4-inch screw, which you can attach any camera that will accept the 1/4-inch screw. On the back, it has 2 different mounting holes. But what is really cool about it is that you can take it and move it at various angles. So you can go in just about any direction you want to. So let me get back, let me put up the camera and you'll see what I'm talking about. Hi. So I'm an avid photographer. I love taking pictures. And I'm outdoors, I'm taking sunsets, I'm doing all kinds of shots and all kinds of situations. I don't know if you ever had this experience. You get the camera set up, you get it ready to go, you're taking your pictures, and suddenly you need to turn the camera sideways or any other angle, but your camera is mounted to the tripod. Now you can use the quick release, but meantime you could lose the shot. Well, one thing that this thing can do, a pan head, now you can turn the camera sideways. It's a fantastic moment. Or you could come up at a different angle. Or maybe you want to, suddenly you've got the babies walking towards you and you want to catch them moving. Or maybe you're at the edge of a cliff and you're trying to get over the cliff, without losing the camera. So here you can turn it downwards. My friend of mine used this. He was capturing birds flying on the edge of a cliff. He was on the edge of the cliff and he mounted his tripod with this. And he was able to get a good shot. So it's pretty handy. It's one of my favorite tools to get. And they're relatively inexpensive. Now, I want to talk about just about quality. There are 2 types. I'm going to grab the other one. The one I'm showing you now is made out of metal. This one is made out of plastic. They're identical, except the material they're made of. They still have the 1/4-inch mounting screw. They still have 2 different mounts. Okay? They're easy to attach right here, and they come with an Allen to tighten them up. So how loose you want this to be, you could mount this on the table. You want to get close to an object. Either way, but the main difference between these two, one is metal and one is plastic. So if you're going to be using something as like a GoPro camera, the plastic one might be fine. But if you're going to use a really heavy camera and you've got a nice long lens on here, you might not want to use that. So the difference is that the metal one cost me about $30 and the plastic one cost me about $9. So when I'm using my good camera and I'm shooting, I use my $30 folding mount. When I'm using something else, I might trust the plastic one. I can't take a chance. So I hope this has been helpful for you. I hope this information gives you another tool that when you're shooting it and you want to get the best shot and you want to try to catch all kind of angles and suddenly things are moving, you can get to them. So if this was helpful to you, please like and subscribe to our channel. Hit that little bell thing next to it and click it. That'll tell you next time I have a video coming on. Also, please comment what you like, what you don't like, and anything you'd like me cover in the future. Now my next video coming up will be that part 2 on Windows 7. You have a great day.